Standing still means falling behind, and thus the BRABUS engineers and designers are tirelessly at work developing new custom components for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. The BRABUS PowerXtra D30 performance kit can be connected to the CAN bus of the C300D turbodiesel model by any BRABUS service center in next to no time. Like all BRABUS PowerXtra performance kits, this tuning stage also was designed to reliably prevent any impairment in the engine's durability. Fitted with this BRABUS tuning, the compression ignition engine produces an additional 45 horsepower and also adds 37 pounds-foot of torque. A new peak output of 310 horsepower and 443 pounds-foot of torque naturally also have a positive impact on the performance on the road. The Mercedes C300D with BRABUS engine tuning accelerates from rest to 62 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds. The standard top speed limitation to 155 miles per hour remains in place unchanged. However, the significantly increased torque across the entire rev range is much more important in daily driving,